Come with me to see things in Yellowstone. First thing we saw was the Yellowstone Grand Canyon. This. And that's a waterfall where the Grand Canyon is.
You can hear it.
Yeah, it's loud.
Look at that. Rosie.
Get more of what we've seen. Then there's a bridge right there. Next we saw this lake and it's purple. Crossed this in the car and stopped. Then there's a big hole over there. It's so hot, that's bubbling, guys. It's so hot. You can see that bubbling right there. This is called Dragon's Mouth Spring. All the smoke. Is the mud volcano right here. Mud volcano.
When Rita was talking.
The hot spring is called the Black Dragon's Cauldron. Next we have whatever this is. This one is called the Churning Cauldron. It's going crazy, bro. Oh, it's coming towards us.